Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I will tell you that how we can make a bar graph. Using this data, we have three locations A, B and C. We have three time zones, 0 month, 3 month and 6 month, and we have the data of our response variable, that is the concentration. So first of all, we will have to make such a table in order to make the graph. So we have to copy the data for the A. That's easy. Press is equal to, then press here in front of the data for the 0 month, press enter and then drag it down, so you will get the data for the A. So you can see it here, it is just similar. Now select this whole data. After that, click on insert. In the insert, click on this column bar graph, then click on 3D column bar graphs. Here you got the chart. Just increase the size of the chart so that it will be easy for you to working on it. Then right click on it and click on the select data. In the select data, switch the rows and the columns, click OK. So I got some of the table as per my requirement. Then click on these, click ticks on the y-axis. I need the major tick to be at 0.2 so that there will be somehow increase in the spacing. As you can see now, there is 0.2, 0.4, 0.6 and 0.8. Then cross it. After that, click here on the add button to add the axis or title axis. So here I can write. So here I will write the name of the column, Control A, Control V, and then again Control A, and I will increase the size to 18 because it will be good for 18 is good. Then similarly I will add the title of the, now click on this chart title and then Control A because I have copied the chart title already from my file. Control V, again increase the size of the chart because it will be then aesthetically and readable. Good. Okay, 18 is good enough. Now I have added the time as well as the axis title. Now this ABC legend is too low below then this whole graph, and then click on it and then move them slightly bit up. Okay, and then these 0, 6 and 3 months, these are also very small. You can increase their size as well from here so that it will be then good in the looking. After that, you can see there is a big difference between this red color bar and these first and third red bar. How I did it, that you can see here that there is a difference between the shading of this middle one bar from the third one and the first one. So how I did it, right click on any of the bar as you wish, then there is a fill color, click on the color that you want to like. For example, I like this color, and then click on the gradient. You have a lot of the gradient available, just like if I select their one, so there is a shading occurred. If I select this one, again you can see behind this there was a changing continuously occurring. So how gradient, for example, if I select this one, so there will be a dark at the center. So you can see all of them become slightly dark at the center. So in this way we can make changes in the table to make it aesthetically good. Thanks God for watching the video. Have a good day. Bye.